Karsten, do you see the snow?
Yeah.
Say snow. Should we open the door so you can look? Karsten, don't go out there. Go look.
Yeah.
Touch it with your hand. Ooh. Should I shut the door? It's cold.
Yeah.
Shut the door. It's cold. Here. Here's some snow. Is it cold? Is it good?
Are you eating snow?
It's good. Can you say yum? It's good, yeah. Karsten, do you like snow? Here, grab a little more. Ready? Be brave. Go grab it. Grab some snow. Whoa, Passy. Ooh, Burr, should we shut the door? Okay, move, Siri. Baby, you need to move so we can shut the door.
Come here, Siri.
Come on, baby. Good job, Karsten. Ooh, is it cold out there?